Hiya, thanks for joining me today. My name's Kay from PaperCraft Skies, and today I'm going to be bringing you this card. And this is from the gorgeous Boho Indigo product medley. I've made loads of cards using this medley of products already, and I've still got loads of it left. So I thought this would make a really nice little birthday card. So I'll show you how I put it together. So first of all, the pattern paper that I chose out of this one, I mean they're all gorgeous, but this pattern is my favourite piece out of the whole pack. You get 48 sheets of 6x6 paper in it, but this is my favourite one. And this one measures 7 centimetres by 11.25 centimetres. Also in the pack, in the medley of products you also get some embossed papers with it. So I've chose this pattern. And this one measures 9 by 13.25 centimetres. And then another layer, I've decided to go with Misty Moonlight because it matches with the papers very well. And this one measures 10 by 14.25. So we're just going to layer that one onto there. So grab some glue and get that one. Just start building it up. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous product medley, and I love my blues, so for me it was right at the top of my list as soon as the catalogue came out. But I've made, as I say, lots of different cards with this. So that's that one. And then also in the kit you get some die cut labels with gold foil round. So I'm going to use this one to stamp. I'm still going to use the same sentiment as I used in this one, the bunch of birthday love to you, because I think it's quite a nice one. And I'm going to stamp that in Misty Moonlight onto the label. My head in. And that's that one. Gorgeous. And then onto this one, there's also some, I like velvet felt, if you like, flowers. It's 2 different sizes, sort of that one and that one. And to decorate, I'm just going to add these just around the sentiment on the little tag, and I'm just going to put them on with blue dots. So I'm just going to pick that up like that. That's fell off. I'll try and stick that back on in a second. And then 2 down the bottom. That one. Right, let's do a bit of maintenance here. Let's just stick this one back on, this little bead. Come on. Let's give that time to dry. And then what we're going to do is, I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of this one. So it's just lifted up from the card a little bit. And in this paper, there's either very vanilla, the colour, the sort of the whitey colour is either Whisper White or very vanilla. So on this one, I've decided to use a very vanilla card base that we're going to put it on. But you can use the Whisper White as well. So this one's going to go just in the middle the card. Let's try and eyeball that. That's that one. And then I'm also going to put some dimensionals on the back of my sentiment, a little tag as well. Get rid of them. And then that is going to go in the middle. It's that one. And then, as I say, I've got a very vanilla card base, just in half. And I'll just glue the whole thing onto that one. Just putting that on the front of that one. And that is your gorgeous little birthday card from the Boho Indigo medley, and that's that one. Hope you enjoyed it today. If you do need a catalogue or you've got any questions regarding any of the products I used, there is a link in the description box below, and if you want to contact me if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be happy to chat with you about Stampin' Up. Thanks for popping in. See you next time. Bye.